The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate field lysimetry and soil pore water sampling techniques used for analyzing the fate of chemicals applied to soils and established vegetation. This is accomplished by first installing lysimeters into soils in an area with little to no slope. The second step is to install the pore water samplers to a desired depth within the lysimeters. Next, the chemical application is made following a 2-week acclimation period. The final step is sampling pore water, soil, and foliage to determine chemical distributions at specific evaluation dates after treatment. Ultimately, integrated field lysimetry and pore water sampling provide valuable tools for establishing distributions and potential risks of chemicals in the environment.
The main advantage of this technique over existing techniques such as greenhouse lysimetry, laboratory-based methods, and other soil core methods is that this technique is both applicable in the real world and allows for the quantification of chemical distribution and mass balance.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical as field, installation, and exhumation steps can be difficult to learn, and this procedure requires specially adapted equipment.
Begin by choosing an appropriate experimental site. The site should have soil and vegetation properties of interest and little or no slope. This study used both an established turfgrass system and bare ground. For vegetated plots, pull vegetation plugs where lysimeters will be installed. Next,